You can make it in welding as a certified welder, welding inspector, or a welding engineer. The right training can put you in a great paying job as soon as you finish school. And that's a fact. Listen, the manufacturers in this area are hungry for qualified welders, welding inspectors, and welding engineers. Right now, experienced welders are reaching retirement age. The U.S. Department of Labor tells us that there is a need for nearly 500,000 welders to replace these workers. 500,000 jobs just waiting to be filled by people like you with the right education and the desire to make it an exciting and secure career.
My name's Tim Core. I got interested in welding in high school. Went to Lebanon County Vo-Tech. Got hired in the welding field right out of Vo-Tech. It's a great field. I can't imagine doing anything else with my life. I make a very good living doing it. I've been here at Kircher's quite a few years, and it's a great field to be in.
What do welders make? Everything from giant industrial equipment to intricate assemblies that require a high skill level. Look around and you'll find welding opportunities everywhere. The energy industries depend on welders to produce wind turbines, work in the oil and natural gas fields, and build equipment for geothermal and solar energy. These are fast-growing areas of our economy, and the need for welders is growing just as fast. An accredited welding course can have you walking out the door with the certification you need to get a job and start making the money that comes with it. The average pay for a welder is over $17 an hour, more than $35,000 a year. Your schooling will certify you in the basic welding techniques, including MIG, TIG, and stick. You can really enhance your earning potential by getting certified in ASME boiler or pressure vessel work. Top welders command even higher pay with certification in stainless steel and aluminum welding. This is in high demand in the food and medical industries, where flawless welds on quality metals call for special skills and craftsmanship. A job in welding can be anything you want it to be: challenging, rewarding, and giving you the financial benefits you deserve. If you have an eye for details, you may be cut out to be a welding inspector. This critical manufacturing position calls for training in welding principles, reading plans, and performing tests. The job involves checking and double-checking welded products to make certain that they meet exacting specifications.
My name is Carl Montgomery. I'm a 2002 graduate of Millersville University. After I graduated, I really wasn't sure what I wanted to do with myself, so I moved out of state and got a job welding. When I moved back to Pennsylvania, I found a job welding again, and after a few years there, I was good enough to get a job here at Johnson Controls, where I continued to learn quite a bit. And after a few more years here, I became a welding inspector. Now, I get to control what happens to me on a daily basis to some degree. I really enjoy my job. I get a wage that I'm very pleased with, and I really enjoy the work that I'm doing. It's not something I would have figured by the time I graduated college.
Take a welding career to another level by becoming a welding engineer. This exciting field is full of opportunities to use your math and science knowledge and advance in an industry beyond your wildest dreams. Welding engineers get involved in a wide range of exciting areas, and they have it made in how they're compensated, earning an average salary of $85,700 a year. These professionals develop welding techniques and procedures and use welding equipment to problem solve. They test new processes and find ways to improve current methods. They work with complex metal alloys and get involved in research and development, as well as the high technology testing that is used in today's manufacturing processes.
Hi, my name is Ben Hall. I'm a welding engineer at BAE Systems in York, Pennsylvania. I first went to college at Pennsylvania College of Technology 6 years ago. My first interest for weld engineering came actually in high school. I wanted to work with my hands, but I also wanted to go from a theory level as well in engineering. One of the great things about this job, it provides me diversity in a sense to work with my hands and also work in the books and at my desk with 3D CAD modeling. It opens up all kinds of opportunities for inspection, quality, manufacturing, process. One of the things I enjoy working about at BAE Systems is the fact that everything that you do is right in front of you. You get a lot of satisfaction from seeing something built and working through the different stages of manufacturing, design engineering, and even welding.
If you want to make it using computers, you might be surprised to learn just how advanced welding has become. There's a need for workers in the field of robotic welding, both in equipment development and programming. Automated manufacturing is critical to most industries, and the jobs are there for those with the right training and the drive to make it. A career in welding could take you anywhere. You could find yourself doing structural welding on major construction projects, or helping to build work on prototypes that will shape tomorrow. Whatever direction welding takes you, it is certainly sure to take you to the lifestyle you want and deserve. It's a career that can be exciting as you make it, and you can make it as a welder, welding inspector, or welding engineer.